it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. This is YouTube Tuesdays, guys. So today's YouTube Tuesday is going to be a thumbnail. Yes, guys, so we're going to do a thumbnail and I'm going to show you briefly and quickly and easily how to do a nice, simple thumbnail using an online service. Now, I'm doing the online one instead of Photoshop because it's easily accessible to everyone. Now, this website is called Canva. It's canva.com. Now, you could use it basically for free, but it does have limitations unless you want to pay for an upgrade. So other than that, you can use it, and it's pretty simple to use, guys. So let's get started in creating this thumbnail so you can make beautiful thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Okay, the first thing we want to do is go into the website called canva.com. And you can see here is canva.com. So the first thing you want to do is create your profile. You want to sign up and create your own profile. Now, again, this is free. If you want to upgrade, you can, but it's not necessary for what we want to do. So for now, we're going to use a free online software to do a basic, easy thumbnail. All right, so the first thing you want to do after you create your account is go to create a design. You want to use custom dimensions. Click here, and then your dimensions are 1920 for the thumbnail by 1080. You want to use these dimensions for your YouTube channel, and then just click design. It's going to bring you to another page. Now, once you get here, you have your layout, which is your different layouts you can use. Your elements, we're going to be working with shapes, your text. It has backgrounds. We will not be doing that today, and uploads, which will be uploading your pictures. Okay, so the first thing is you have a blank page here. So only thing you have to do is drop your image here. I'm going to go out, zoom out a little bit so I can bring this image closer. Okay, and just place it kind of where you want it. This here is good. I'm going to bring it, zoom it back in. All right, so the next thing I want to do is create a box. So I want to go up into elements to shapes. And they're going to give you different, choices of the different shapes you can use for this. So I'm going to use a basic square shape for this. Here I'm going to use a basic square. As you can see, some of these are free. I'm just going to use a white square. It turns out black. If it turns out black, see this corner here? You can change it any color you want. You have black down to grays to white. Okay, click off. You want to size it smaller so you can keep it a square. Or you see this here, little circle, you can rotate it or you can have it go up or down. Okay, so for this video right here, we are going to do like a rectangular shape. I'm going to stretch it like this. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is kind of bring that transparency down. So here you have copy, arrange, and you have this little transparency here. So click on it, bring it down to about 65%. Okay, and that way you can still see some of the background of it. Okay, and you can move it anywhere you want. So for this sake here, I'm going to move it right here. Okay, click off of it. And the next thing is going to be my text. So we're going to go to text. I'm not going to use these down here. I'm going to use the basic ones here. So just click on add heading. Okay, so this right here, you just want to type it. And I'm going to put fine art. Okay, now I want this a little larger, so you highlight it, go into your size, and see the size that you want. I want a little larger. Great. So I'm going to click. When you see that little cross mark here, right here, just move it. I want it to be a little larger, so I double click, highlight it. One more. Let's go to 80. If you want to change your color, you go up to here. And these are your basic colors if you want to use these. or click the plus sign, document colors, and then you could use any color you feel you need to use. All right. And if you wanted the light or darker, you could do it this way. Okay, so I'm clicking this color and this is fine art. So basically, this is how you do your thumbnail. From here, click off, you download it. It says PNG. I clicked it to JPEG and I click download. As you can see, it just takes maybe a few seconds to download it, and it downloads straight to your desktop. So that is one basic way to do your thumbnail. All right, guys, so let's do sample number 2. Okay, so I'm right back at layouts. I'm in uploads. I'm going to go to layouts. So I'm selecting this layout right here. Okay, so then I want 2 images here. So I want one image here, one image here. This is pretty cool when you want to just, if you don't want to overlap, and sometimes like I'll do this myself, I'll put a line here and we'll have one image of one picture here and one picture there instead of overlapping the picture on here. So this is pretty cool just to have a layout. So I'm here, I'm gonna go to uploads. The first thing I'm gonna do is gonna drag this one on this side. Okay, I want to bring this in closer. So if I don't separate this, you see how this is going to mess up the whole layout? What you want to do is go to your crop and you want to move this around. So if you want to make it larger, you can. And all you have to do is see the check mark, click it. So this is where I want it to be. So next thing I'm going to do is take the second image, drag it here. I don't want to see the cup. So again, I'm in crop because I only want to alter the image on the left. Make sure I don't see the cup. Okay. And then I'm going to check mark this and say this is okay there. Okay, if I wanted to move it around a little bit, crop, bring it down, check it. All right, so I have my images. So next thing I want to do is go to the box. So I'm going back to elements. Shapes. Remember, this is shapes. Select the box that you want or the shape that you want. Some people might want a heart or rectangular. Just select your shape. Gold. So let's do gold this time. Let's make it smaller. Kind of bring it over here. Okay, let's bring this closer so we can see. I'm going to make sure it's on the edge of the line here. There we go. And I want it to be transparent. Make sure it's highlighted. Go to your transparency, bring this down. All right, let's bring it down to 55%. Okay. And it's adjusted us a little bit more there. All right, so I have my 2 images. I have my box. So I want to add text here and here. All right, so let's do that next. We're going to go into the text. So what we're going to do is we're going to add heading here, and we're going to highlight, and we're going to put canvas prints. Okay, let's move that up over here. Let's make that a little larger. There we go. Let's move it here. Okay, this one here. Let's move it up just a little bit under. All right, we're going to use this one here. Up top. And we're going to call this epoxy fine art. Okay, we want it a little larger. So stretch this here. Okay. Let's make it 42. Let's make it one more smaller. 32. There we go. Okay. And that's in the center. All right. So guys, this is how you do your thumbnail. Again, I have 2 images. I have a box here, transparency, so you can see some of the background. You can still see the epoxy fine art, and you can always change just another color. And here it is. And you have your canvas print here. So that's basically how I do your thumbnail. Again, once you click off and happy with what you have, then that's it. If you have any alterations, if you want to change any of the colors, like go back and play and say, you may want this white and see how it looks. No, I think I like it black. Just highlight it, double click it, click on the box, go back to this one here, okay, or black. There you go. Click off, download it, and that's it. All right, guys, so that is how you do a custom thumbnail. Again, guys, make sure you take pictures of these images. Again, like I said, you can screenshot this, but do custom photos. Use your iPhone. Now, look at that. Look how pretty and bright that is. Okay, and this is crisp pictures just with my phone. And when you come in, remember guys, come in close as much as you want. So whatever you do your images for is either for your DIY projects, is for makeup, is hair, whatever you do guys, whatever your channel is about, make sure you take a picture, use those fresh, clean pictures, and then this is it. So play with this. You can overlap as many images as you want, but these are the 2 basics I wanted to show you today for YouTube Tuesday. So guys, I hope you understood this. Again, if you have any questions, text your Mooregirl or me. If you have any questions, to comment your Mooregirl. I always comment back. All right, guys, this is your Mooregirl, and let me know what you want for the next YouTube Tuesdays. I'll see you then. Take care, guys.